Hello everybody. Today I'm going to recharge the air conditioning system on my truck using this AC Pro recharge and retrofit kit. I plan on using the retrofit adapters and the second can of refrigerant on a different vehicle at another time. Let's go ahead and open up this package and see what's inside. And open up the package from the back. First thing you're going to come to is the instruction manual. I don't need that. On second thought, I probably do need that. Next thing's going to be the retrofit adapters. Again, I'm not using those today. Next thing you're going to get out of the package will be the hose and gauge assembly. It is reusable. The end that hooks to the vehicle has a quick disconnect. Also in the package are 2 cans of AC Pro R134A refrigerant. Hopefully today I'll just need the 1 can. To find out if your vehicle is R134A from the factory, you'll just have to look at the stickers under the hood of your vehicle. Here's the sticker on my vehicle indicating it is R134A. If you have an R12 system, you can use this kit with the retrofit adapters. Go ahead and start the vehicle up, turn the air conditioner on max and your fan on the high. Next thing you're going to do is locate your low pressure port. The one that's right there in the front of the screen is not my low pressure port. That is the high pressure port. Tucked back up next to the firewall is the accumulator, and my low pressure port is right on the side of the accumulator. You'll notice up in the top right hand corner my compressor is kicking on and off quite frequently. This is indicating that it has a low charge of refrigerant. On the pressure gauge, there are range marks that you set based on your ambient temperature. Based on today's ambient temperature, my pressure range is 45 to 55 pounds. So I'm going to go ahead and set that here. The next thing we need to do is go ahead and hook the hose back up to the low pressure port on the air conditioning system and check the pressure on the system to make sure you do need a charge of refrigerant. As you can see in the bottom right hand corner, I'm only blowing 77-degree air after several minutes of the air conditioner running, and that's because I only have 24 pounds of refrigerant charge. Now that I know I need a charge, I'm going to grab one of those cans of R134A, shake it up real well, and then I'll connect it to the hose. It just screws on to the trigger and gauge assembly. That punctures the top of the can and makes it ready to use. Now connect the other end of the hose back up to the low pressure port. Once you're connected, you're going to hold the can upright to charge. Shake the can occasionally. Rotate it from vertical to horizontal every few seconds. And about every 10 to 15 seconds, release the trigger and check the charge on the pressure gauge. The whole process for emptying the can into the system takes about 5 minutes. You can see already that the charge is coming up on the pressure gauge and that the temperature the air conditioner is blowing out is coming down. I'm already down to 67 degrees, which is 10 degrees cooler than the air it was blowing when I started. You're going to do this until your pressure is at the right amount or the can is empty. the can gets cool or cold when the refrigerant is going into the air conditioning system. Once the can stops getting cold when you're squeezing the trigger, it's probably empty. 53-degree air coming out of the air conditioner now. Okay, so right here I noticed the can wasn't getting cool anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the hose. The can is empty. So I have a charge of 45 psi, which is right on the bottom end of the range, but that is good enough for me. I'm not going to waste the other can on trying to get that extra 10 psi, so I'm going to go ahead and cap off the low pressure port and call it a day. I did this video to show you how easy this is and that you can do it yourself. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Please hit that subscribe button.